Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Today we're gonna react to the teaser of Spider, Mahesh Babu's new movie, which is directed by A.R. Murugadoss, one of the most interesting directors we have of our time. This is a very interesting collaboration, and everyone is super excited, especially after the glimpse of the teaser where we saw the amazing VFX used, where the spider climbs up, and then Mahesh Babu gives a glimpse of his side face saying "shh." So that was very exciting, and everyone, and there's a lot of news about the amazing VFX being used, international level of this movie, and of course, the collaboration is very, very exciting. So let's go and check out the Telugu teaser of Spider. Here we go, and then we'll speak more about it. This is Mahesh Babu Spider.
పెరుగుతున్న జనాభాని కంట్రోల్ చేసేందుకు గవర్నమెంట్ భూకంపం
ఈ సునామీలా నేను ఒక భాగమే.
నీలాంటి వాడు ఉన్న ఊళ్ళోనే ఇలాంటి వాడు ఒకడు ఉంటాడు.
Oh.
I need a blind date.
లవ్వు లేదు ఫ్రెండ్ కాదు మరి ఇంకేంటి?
భయం అది పుట్టించింది ఎవరు? మేమే.
రోజు అంతమంది జనంలోనూ దాక్కున్నవే అదే భయం. భయపెట్టడం మాకు తెలుసు.
Okay, so that was extremely interesting. I think S.J. Surya is playing the villain in this movie, and he comes with that kind of scarecrow, Batman scarecrow kind of look, where he's wearing that sack on his head, on his face, and he's completely terrorizing. And he speaks about a lot of things that probably he created. And he's the main villain, and he looks very creepy. They've not shown his face, they just showed him almost turning in the middle of the crowd, and that was interesting. This looks really, really good. It looks very amazing. The spelling of spider, of course, as you guys must have noticed, is SPY, so spy. So it has got something to do with that, obviously. And we also have RJ Balaji in a supporting role. We have Rakul Preet Singh, who's probably playing the love interest. This movie seems absolutely interesting. He's back in full form, Mahesh Babu. He's doing all those crazy action stunts, and in fact, very realistic action stunts. Not too many people flying all over the place or stuff like that. That last scene where he pushed that guy down. I mean, I was just looking at that. I was like, how did they do that? Like, that guy literally was bent over his back when he crashed his head. So that was crazy. And there was an interesting shot about the finger which RJ Balaji picks up in a plastic bag, and there's a cut finger. That's disgusting, and it's creepy. And I think the villain of this movie is very, very strong, and that is very important in a good movie where it's about hero villain, to have a very, very strong villain that kind of steals the show, sort of a thing. Not about stealing the show from Mahesh Babu, but steals the show from other villains and just be a very powerful guy, opposite this. So this looks extremely interesting, and I'm absolutely looking forward for the trailer, if there will be a trailer, hopefully, for this movie. Now, it's important that this movie gets everything right in terms of VFX and everything, because I think after Bahubali 2, this is the biggest release in the Telugu film industry from a huge star and a good director, great production value, multi-starrer kind of a thing. And it's not just about Telugu films or Bollywood films, but the whole world has its eyes now on the Telugu film industry because of Bahubali, and everyone expects a lot from this industry. Whether it's in technical aspect or whether it's in storytelling and entertainment aspects, everyone is expecting a lot. So this is the biggest release since BB2, and so it has pretty much a lot of weight on its shoulders for the reputation of the Telugu film industry in general. And I'm sure that this movie will live up to all the expectations and completely push the boundaries altogether, because it looks supremely entertaining, and Mahesh Babu is back in full form and full flow. So, and of course, this is something I always forget to speak about, but Haris Jayaraj is one of my favorite music directors, and I very often forget to speak about his background music. This background music perfectly matched what was going on in there, and it gave a very energetic element to the movie and a very suspenseful, thrilling element to the villain's character whenever those intense scenes were going on. So definitely also looking forward to the music of this film. So it's a great team together, and I'm looking forward to the trailer. I hope you like this reaction and review to Spider. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care.